Hello everyone, Devjit here from MasterStudy.com, and today in this video tutorial I'll show you how to create and configure quizzes in MasterStudy LMS. If you want to test your student knowledge, conduct assignment or create engaging online courses, then quiz is very essential feature. This video will be divided in total 5 parts. In the first, I'll teach you how to open the quiz builder. After that, I'll teach you how to create a new quiz. Then I'll teach you how to add different kind of question in the quizzes like single choice question, multiple choice question or true or false question like that. Next, I'll teach you how to configure the quiz. And last, I'll teach you how to add that quiz in the courses. So now before creating the quiz, let me give you a demo of the quiz so you can understand how your quiz will be look like. So in the quiz page, here you can see the quiz name will be displayed here. And after that, how many question, what is the passing grade, what is the time limit, how many time you can attempt the quiz, all the information are showing here like that. And for starting the quiz, you have to click in the start quiz option. So as you can see here, all the question and the answer option. So monitor is used to display visual output for a computer. Yes, that is true. After that, capital of the France, that will be the Paris. And which of the following are the programming language? So from here, Java and Python are the programming language. After that, that is a matching type question. So for the France, the capital will be Paris. After that, Japan, Tokyo. Bangladesh, that will be Dhaka. And Delhi, it will be India. Okay. So after that, I have to click in the submit. And after submitting, here you can see other pop-up window will come. It will asking are you confirm or not. So again, let me click in the submit option. So after that, this quiz result also will be displayed here like that. As you can see here, I get A grade and all the question I give the correct answer. So hope you understand how the quiz should be look like. So now let me start to build the quiz. So that is my WordPress dashboard, and here I successfully already installed the MasterStudy theme. Even I also successfully installed the MasterStudy LMS plugin. Even the MasterStudy LMS Pro plugin also I successfully installed. So now for creating a quiz, you have to hover on the MasterStudy, and after that here you can see the quizzes option. Click on that. Next, for adding a new quiz, you have to click in this add new quiz option. So here at the top, I have to give the quiz name. Suppose basic quiz. After that, I have to click in the create option. So now I have to add all the questions. So from this drop down, suppose I am choosing single choice question. So here suppose I am writing the question, that is the what is the capital of the France. And after that, I have to add the option also. Suppose the first option is Berlin. After that, for adding a new option, you have to click in the add, and from here you have to write the second option. Similarly, let me add some more option. So as you can see here, totally I add 3 option, and in between Paris is the correct. So I have to choose correct as Paris. So now let me add another question that will be a multiple choice question. So I am choosing multiple choice. Suppose my question is which of the following are the programming language. Now let me add all the option one after one. So now in between Python is the correct and this Java is the correct. Okay. So now let me add a true or false question. Again, click this. Click in the true or false, and here my question will be this: monitor is used to display the visual output from a computer. Yes, that is true. Now let me add one matching type question, and in the question I am writing match the country in a column A with their capital in column B. So now I have to add the option. So for adding the option, I have to click in the add new answer. So here I am writing France, and the France capital is Paris. Okay. Now for the second one, country Japan and the capital is Tokyo. Similarly for the Bangladesh, capital will be Dhaka. Let me add another one, India, and for India it will be Delhi. Okay. So in this way you can add the question in the quiz. So now if you want make this as a required question, then you can enable that. Similarly for other option also you can do the same. And another thing I forgot to tell you, if you create any question previously, I mean before creating this quiz, if you create any question, so that question will be available in the question library. So as you can see here, there are a lot of question available. Suppose I want to insert this question in this quiz. Okay. So what you can do, you have to choose that and add one question. If I click here, you can see in the downside, one question already added. So that is the question, which of the following are not feature of Java. As you can see here, all the option also coming here. So in this way, you can insert any question from the question library also. So let me come back to the settings option to configure the quiz now. So now if you want to write any short description about the quiz, always you can write it here. After that, quiz duration, suppose 4 minutes. So after that, quiz style, that will be a pagination type, means in a single page only one question will be there, and when someone click in the next page, the other question will come like that. Or global, I am keeping it default only, so all the question will be appeared in a single page. Okay. Randomized questions, so the question option will be get randomized, yes I want that, and the answer option also will be get randomized for everyone. Okay, I want that also. So the correct answer, yes, when you successfully submit the quiz, all the correct and wrong answer will be shown here. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is. After passing the quiz, if someone want to retake the quiz, they can take that also. After that, how many time reattempt will be available, suppose 3 time. After the passing grade, suppose 80%. After that, points capped after retake. So if someone retake the quiz, he lose 10%, like that. Okay. So after that, lesson content, if you want to write some content, always you can write it here. After that, let me click in the save option. Now scroll up. Here you can see the Q&A. So if you want to post any question here, always you can post it like that. So in this way, you can create and configure the quiz. Now let me teach you how you can add this quiz in your course. So for that, let me click in this back to quiz. Now from here, let me click in the course. Suppose I want to implement that quiz in this course. So I have to open the course first of all. Now I have to come to the curriculum session. Now suppose I want to add the quiz here. Okay. So I have to click in this search material. From here I have to choose quiz. So that is the basic quiz what I just created. Click on that, and after that I have to click in this import one material in the session 1. Yes. So as you can see, the quiz already imported here. So now let me preview the quiz. For preview the quiz, first of all I have to open the course. So now here in the course curriculum, if you come, you can see the quiz, but you not able to access the quiz directly. For accessing the content of the course, first of all you have to click in this option, get this course. Okay. After that I have to click in the start the course. So now if you want, from here you can directly come to the quiz option. So as you can see, my quiz name also coming here, and quiz description also coming here perfectly, and total number of the question 5, passing grade A. After that, time limit 4 minutes, and number of the reattempt 3. So let me click in the start quiz option. So the first question is, which is not feature of the Java. Suppose I am choosing this one. After that, matching one coming here. So for India, that will be Delhi. For France, it will be Paris, Tokyo, Japan, Dhaka, Bangladesh. Okay. And here that is true. After the capital of the France, so that will be Paris. After that, which of the following are the programming language? Java and Python. Now let me click in the submit option. Let me click in the submit option. So as you can see here, total question 5, correct answer 5, incorrect 0. All the right and wrong option are displaying here. So hope you understand how to create the quiz, how to create question in the quiz, how to implement the quiz in courses. So now let me teach you how to implement this quiz in a page directly. So for that, again I have to come back to the dashboard. Suppose I am creating a new page. So for that, hover on the page and you have to click in the add page option. Let me open it in a new tab. Suppose the page title I am giving as online testing, and template I am taking Elementor full width. Now let me click in the publish option. And if you want to implement the quiz directly in the page, then you have to enable one add-on from the MasterStudy. So for that, hover on the MasterStudy and click in the add-on, and make sure this online testing add-on should be enabled. Okay. So now directly come back to the quizzes. Suppose I want to implement this basic quiz in the page. So for that, first of all you have to open the quiz. Here you can see one shortcode is there. Okay. Just copy the shortcode from here. Now this page I just create. Okay. Let me click in this, and from here let me search for the shortcode. So that is the shortcode. So now let me paste the shortcode here, and after that I have to click in the save option. Once saved, let me check the preview. Okay, this is coming because I already completed the quiz. Don't worry, just copy the URL and let me open this link in a private window. So as you can see, this quiz is coming perfectly. So in this way, if you want to take any online test for the student, then you can create a dedicated page for that and you can implement the quiz there. If you want to take any online testing for the student, then this is a very good option. I'm ending the video tutorial here. If you have any kind of doubt, always you can ask me in the comment section. Hope you really like this video. If you really like this video and if you learn anything from this YouTube video, then please like this video and share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest notification about this kind of professional and interesting videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.